Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm the Budget Boss, and today we're talking about something we all wish for: making money online without doing much work. Yep, you heard it right. We're going over the laziest ways to make money online that are perfect for beginners. So if you're looking for ways to make some extra cash without breaking a sweat, keep watching. All right, let's get into it. First things first, don't expect to get rich overnight with these methods. But if you're looking for something easy to get started with, this is definitely the right place. Number one on the list is taking online surveys. There are sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie that pay you just to fill out simple surveys. It's literally as easy as answering a few questions while you binge watch your favorite Netflix show. The pay isn't huge, but you can earn a few extra bucks here and there in your spare time. Plus, with Swagbucks, you can also earn points for watching videos and shopping online. You can redeem those points for gift cards or PayPal cash. Not bad, right? Now, if you've got a knack for photography, you can sell your photos online. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock let you upload your images and make money every time someone downloads one. You don't need a fancy camera. Even smartphones have great cameras these days. Once you upload your photos, they could sell over and over again without you lifting a finger. One of the laziest ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can earn money by promoting products with affiliate links. Companies like Amazon and Share a Sale will give you a commission every time someone buys a product through your link. You can write blog posts, post on Instagram, or make YouTube videos, and just include those links. Once the content is up, you can make money passively. Easy, right? All right, next is print on demand. If you have any design skills or even just some creative ideas, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Websites like Teespring or Redbubble handle the printing and shipping. You upload your design, set up a store, and when someone buys a product with your design, you earn a commission. You don't need to worry about inventory, packing, or shipping. Super low effort and perfect for beginners. Last but not least, you can make money by just watching ads or videos. Apps like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars pay you small amounts of money to watch short ads, trailers, or even just random videos. You can do this while you're chilling and earn a little extra cash on the side. While you won't make a fortune from this, it's definitely one of the laziest ways to make money online without leaving your couch. So there you have it, the laziest ways to make money online for beginners. None of these are going to make you a millionaire overnight, but they're perfect for getting started with making money online with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make money and live your best life. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these, or if you have any other easy ways to make money online that you love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.